Good morning, dear students. In this video, we will learn about life of the people of Greenland. The native or original inhabitants of Greenland are called Inuits. They used to live in snow houses called igloos. Inuits are native inhabitants, means those who are living from the beginning in Greenland. These people are Inuits. They used to live in snow houses called igloos. What kind of houses they used to live in? In igloos. What are igloos? Igloos are dome shaped houses with a single opening. You can see in the picture. This is a igloo. In summer, they live in tents made of animal skin. The people of Greenland live in the tents made of animal skin in summers, and in winters they live in igloos. These tents are called taupigs. The southwestern coast of Greenland is warmest part and therefore the most populous part of the country. As you can see in the map, southwestern part of the country, this is southwestern coast. It is coastal area. It is the warmest part. The area that has warmest, you can say warmest climate, and therefore the most populous part of the country. इसीलिए यहाँ पर सबसे ज़्यादा लोग रहते हैं in the southwestern coast of Greenland. The people of Greenland use harpoons to hunt seals, walruses, and whales. This is harpoon, and this harpoon is used for hunting by the people of Greenland. And what do they hunt? They hunt seals, walruses, and whales. They also catch fish. Fish forms an important part of their diet. It is very important part of their food. It is exported as well. Fish is exported to different parts of the world from Greenland. They import a number of other food items also. And people of Greenland import. Import means they need different food items. That's why they import them. They get them from other countries. They buy different food items from other countries of the world. As Greenland is extremely cold place, people wear clothes made of fur to which hoods are attached. As you already know that the climate of Greenland is extremely cold. That's why people of Greenland wear clothes made of fur to which hoods are attached. You can see in this picture, these people are wearing big jackets, large jackets, and hoods are also attached to their jackets. They keep their hands covered with mittens and wear large boots made of sealskin. Their hands are covered with mittens and their boots are very large, and these boots are made of sealskin. The Inuits use kayaks or umayaks to travel on water bodies. What are kayaks? Kayaks are small boats used by people of Greenland, and they travel through these small boats in the water bodies. Sledges are also used for transportation in places which receive a lot of snowfall, and the areas which receive great snowfall, there people use sledges for transportation. The life of the people of Greenland has changed over the years. In so many years, the life of the people of Greenland has also changed. Like our life is also changed through technology. There are many new inventions. In the same way, the life of the people of Greenland is also changed. Many of them work in mines and oil fields. The people who belong to Greenland, they work in mines, they do mining, and they work in oil fields also. The people live in permanent houses. Earlier, they used to live in igloos and towpigs, and now they live in permanent houses. They use rifles in place of harpoons. Earlier, they used to use harpoons for hunting, and now they use rifles for hunting and motorboats for fishing. Many people have migrated to towns for better education facilities and medical treatment. Now people have migrated to towns. Earlier they used to live in remote areas, and now they have migrated to towns. What is the meaning of migration? Migrate means to move from a town or country to another to work or to live. So people move, people migrate to towns for better education facilities. They want to have better education, and they want, if they are not well, they need medical treatment also. That's why they move to more developed towns. Traveling outside Greenland is now easier as some places are connected to Europe and North America by air. Now, many areas of Greenland are connected to Europe and North America by air. Means you can travel through aeroplane to from Greenland to Europe and North America. The capital city, Nuuk, previously known as Gotha, is a modern city. The capital city of Greenland is Nuuk, and previously it was known as Gotham. The earlier name of Nuuk was Gotham. You can see in the map the red dot, this is Nuuk, and it is in which part of Greenland? Southwestern part. And maximum people live in southwestern part of Greenland. So Nuuk is also there, and earlier it was known as Gotham, and now it is a modern city. It is an important center for processing fish. Nuuk is an important center where fish processing is done. So that was all for the chapter Greenland. Have a wonderful day, dear children. See you in the next class.